Hi friends, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python functions, user-defined functions. So first of all, what are functions in Python programming? So function is a indented block of code which is used to perform some task in a program. So coming to some technical points related to the function. A function is used to divide large program into small modules, and technically it is called as modular programming. So once a function is defined, we can call that function any number of times, which is reusability. And function eliminates repetition of code and saves wastage of memory. Basically, functions are of two types. First one, predefined functions. Example, print, range, input. So predefined functions are available in Python predefined modules. They come with Python software. Second one, user defined functions. So these functions are defined by the developer or user as per the requirement in the program. So coming to the syntax of defining a function. So to define a function, we use def keyword, def function name, and then we pass input parameters or values to the function, and then followed by indented block of code from the left, exact number of spaces. Statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, so on. And finally, we'll have a return value or return expression. Example, it goes like this: define def keyword function 1 and then print hello user. So here, after defining a function, we have to call the function any number of times as per the requirement. So to call a function, we just use the function name followed by delimiter. Anyhow, delimiter is optional in the Python programming. So it will go to the function definition and execute the indented block of code of the function. And here, one small important point. So before calling a function, define it. Otherwise, we'll get a name error. So define it and call it. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python functions example1.py. So let us take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. So next I'm taking a function. So definition of the function, function1, and then this function contains indented block of code. Print hello user. I'll write here. Print one more statement here. Welcome to Python. Okay, and then I'll write one more statement here. Print all the best. So total 3 statements we are writing as indented block of code for the function. So this indented block of code, it should be equal number of spaces from the left. So function f1, which does not take any input parameter, okay, or input values, has 3 statements in its indented block of code. So I'm going to call this function 1, 2, 3, 3 times. So let us execute till here. So save the program. So come to the prompt where you have saved the program. So py python functions example1.py. Right. So hello user, welcome to Python. All the best. First time, second time, and third time. So this is the main advantage of functions. Write once and call any number of times. So here we are calling 3 times. Reusability is the advantage. Right, so let us put comment for this. first function, and then we will take another function here, add function. So here I'm taking empty print, you'll get an empty line. Okay, so definition def space add. So add function, we are not passing any input parameters. Inside the body or intended block of code of add function, we are taking 4 statements. First one, variable a, which is technically called as local variable, int of input a value, accepting a value from keyboard, converting that into integer and storing that in a. Similarly, b value, int of input b value. So accept one value from the keyboard, convert that into integer and store that in b, and then perform a plus b. Okay, and store that in c, and print sum c, sum comma c. So I'll call this function 3 times. Write once, call any number of times. Reusability. So save this, come to the prompt and run it. So for the first time, print a value, enter a value 11, 22. So the sum is 33. Second time, 100, 200. So the sum is 300. Next, 55, 66. So the sum is 121. So write once, call any number of times. So this is how we have to define user defined function, a block of code which is used to perform some task in a program. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.